It has wood pendulum with double axis, high-speed servo motor, imported hand chips. This is the water cycle structure, which can be cooled quickly. Look, here is a vertical LCD, which can display the welding speed in real time. The black one is toggle button. Look, this part in my hand is handle grip. The last one is QBH protective shield. The overall structure accords with ergonomic design with multiple safety protection measures. Next, I will show you our control panel. The stop button, control system button, water chiller system button, laser system button, and Chinese famous brand Qilin control system.